spine neutral. Inhale, curve your spine. Lift your chin for cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your belly in for the cat pose. Inhale to cow pose. Exhale to cat pose. Inhale to cow pose. Exhale to cat pose. Repeat this 2 times. Cat and cow pose is good to improve the flexibility of your spine. Now move your spine sideways from left to right and move front and back. Now take your hands forward, lift your knees up, push your hips back for the downward dog pose. It's okay if you're not able to touch your heels. Just stretch here, hold the pose for 3 to 4 breaths, moving your neck sideways, up and down, releasing the tension from your neck, your shoulders. Now bring your right foot forward and stretch here in Ashwasanchalan. And if it's too much for you, you can drop your left knee on the mat. Hold the pose. Exhale, come back to the downward dog pose. Hold. Inhale, bring your left foot forward. Stretch. You can bend your right leg and touch on the mat. Hold. Exhale, come back to the downward dog. Hold for 2 to 3 breaths. On your next inhale, bring your right foot forward in Ashwasanchalan. This helps in stretching your inner thighs, your glutes muscles. Exhale, come back to the downward dog. Inhale, bring your left foot forward in Ashwasanchalan. Hold the pose. Feel the stretch. Exhale and come back to the downward dog. Now come in the center of your mat and take your feet wide apart. In a comfortable pose, turn your right foot out 90 degrees. Raise your arms parallel to the floor. Exhale, bend your left knee for the warrior 2 pose. Take your left hand forward. Raise both your arms up. This is warrior 1 pose. Release the posture. Come back to the center. This time, turn your left foot out. Exhale, bend your left knee for the warrior 2 pose. Stretch your arms. Hold the pose. Take your right hand forward. Raise both your arms up. for warrior one pose. Release the posture. Relax your hands. Take one deep breath here and turn your right foot out. Raise both your arms up. Bend your right knee for the warrior two pose. Hold. Come back to the center. Switch side. Your left foot out. Bend your left knee for warrior two pose. Hold. This helps in strengthening your leg muscles. Inhale, come back to the center, release your hands and release your posture. Come back to the standing position. Take one deep breath here. Try to keep your feet close together. Palms near your hips. Inhale, raise both your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. It's okay if you're not able to touch your fingers to the floor. Hold your elbows. This is ragdoll pose. Stretch here. Slightly bend your knees if you are more comfortable in this. Release your hands and push your hips back for the chair pose. Hold the pose as if you are sitting in a chair. Release the posture. Come back to the standing position. Inhale, raise both your arms up. Slight back bend. Exhale, bend forward. Bend your knees and come to the ragdoll pose. Stretch your arms, your shoulders. Inhale, lift your hands up, push your hips back. Hold the chair pose. Feel the burn in your thighs. Release the posture. Take one deep breath. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Shift to the ragdoll pose. Stretching here. Relaxing here. Inhale, raise your arms up and shift to the chair pose. Try to stretch your arms, your fingers, your shoulders while you hold the pose. Release the posture and come back to the standing position. Feeling good after holding the pose. Take deep breath. Now lie on your back, turning sideways. Try to keep your hips grounded to the floor. Your shoulders relaxed. Palms near your hips. Take deep inhale and deep exhale. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, press your right knee close to your chest. This is the Pavan Mukta Asana or the gas release pose, which helps in releasing the extra gas from our stomach. Inhale, extend your legs. Shift side. Inhale, lift your left leg. Exhale, bend your left knee close to your chest. Hold the pose with your hips on the mat.